How to fix Valorant? A critical error has occurred and the process must be terminated. For this first step, you need to open up this PC. Make sure you have enough memory space in the C drive. Right click, click Properties, click Tools, click Check and scan the drive. Once the scanning complete after, it will throw up the message successfully scanned. No error has occurred. Close it and come to next step. Open up Riot client, click it. In this, you need to click the profile icon, click settings. This page will appear. Click Valorant and click repair. It's actually verifying your game files. Once the verification is complete after, it will throw up the message successfully repaired. After that, we move on with next step. Click OK and move on with next step. Search for run and type the following text services.msc. Scroll down and search for VGC. Right click it, click properties and make sure the startup type it should be in automatic and the service status should be in running mode. Click apply and OK. And one more time right click and restart. Close it. And one more time search for run and type the following text MSINF432. Click OK. The system information page will appear. In this, you need to check for BIOS mode and secure boot state. It should be in UEFI and on state. After, search for device manager, click display adapters and update the drivers. You can update the driver by using this method or else go to the official website of the drivers, download and install the latest version. Go to the official website of the drivers. You can check the drivers. Depends on the device, it may vary. Check it and download and install the latest version. After that, click settings, click app settings, click install app. Scroll down and search for Riot Vanguard and install it. Click the three dot icon and uninstall it. Once uninstall after, you need to restart your device. After restart, you need to open up the Riot client. It will asking to automatically reinstall the Riot Vanguard. Click and reinstall it. After reinstall, you can check it. Thank you.